Only on News 4 tonight.
He would lock me into the back room or lock me into his office.
Hear from the alleged victim of a Prince George's County bishop arrested on sexual assault charges.
Tonight, a plea for help as police search for a Virginia woman missing for more than a week.
I'm sure somebody took her. Somebody did, because she wouldn't get disappeared like that.
New video shows her just an hour before she was last seen.
A broken water main on Rockville Pike impacted both of today's commutes. What to expect when you hit the road tomorrow.
News 4 at 11 starts now.
It's supposed to be a safe place to worship and reflect.
But tonight, a young woman from Prince George's County says she had a completely different experience while working at her church. Good evening. I'm Doreen Gensler.
I'm Jim Hanley. Tonight we hear from that 22-year-old woman who tells us her bishop repeatedly stalked, harassed,